Chapter 9 Formula in MS Excel 2010. Topics covered in this chapter: formula, copy formula, numeric formula, statistical functions, operation in MS Excel, sorting data, operator procedure, printing a worksheet. The data in a formula can consist of any of the following: values, sorting or numeric, cell address, A1, B4, etc. Functions, sum, average, minimum, maximum, etc. Operators, plus, minus, into, divide, less than, greater than, etc. Parenthesis, bracket open, bracket close. How to start MS Excel? Type here to search Excel desktop application, blank workbook, zoom in, select A column to D column, row 1, click merge and center, arithmetic operator in MS Excel, select A column to D column, row 2, click merge and center, operator function example, select A column, addition, insert or drag the right hand side column A, eight, select B column and C column, merge and center, 8 plus 10, equal to 8, 10. Answer 18. Subtraction, select B column to C column, row 4, click merge and center, 25 minus 20, equal to 25 minus 20. Answer 5. Multiplication, select B column to C column, row 5, click merge and center, 15 into 5, equal to 15 into 5. Answer 75. Division, select B column to C column, row 6, click merge and center, 32 divided by 8, equal to 32 divided by 8. Answer 4. Exponential, increase or drag the right hand side column A, select B column to C column, row 7, Click margin center. 6 power 2 equal to 6 power 2. Answer 36. Percentage select B column to C column, row 8, click margin center. 25% equal to 25%. Enter. Answer 0.25. Add sheet 2. Zoom in. Select A column to D column. Click margin center. Relational operators in MS Excel. Theme color orange. Font color white. Bold text. Select A column to B column. Click margin center. Equal to example B2 equal to A2 or ten equal to E2 equal to F2. Answer true. Select A column to B column, row 3, click margin center, not equal to (45, 87) equal to E3 not equal to F3. Enter. Answer true. Select A column to B column, row 4, click margin center, greater than 60, 20 equal to E4 greater than 20. Answer true. Select A column to B column, row 5, click margin center less than equal to E5 less than F5. Answer true. Select A column to B column, row 6, click margin center greater than or equal to. Drag the right hand side. 40, 50 equal to E6 greater than or equal to F6. Enter key false. Select A column to B column, click margin center less than or equal to. Equal to E7 less than equal to F7 false. Add sheet 3, zoom in, select A column to D column, click margin center, logical operators in MS Excel, select A column to B column, not and or. Example, equal to 15 plus 15 into 8. Answer 135. Number 2, equal to for example 50 equal to cell value C4 minus numerical value 15. Enter. Answer 35. Number 3, equal to C4 plus D4. Enter. Answer 90. Example 4, equal to 20 into 14. Answer 280. Add sheet 4. Zoom in. Select A column to D column. Click margin center. Operator predefines. Parenthesis. Select A column to B column. Click margin center. Parenthesis. Equal to 5 plus 5 into 2. Press enter key. Answer 15. Select A column to B column. Click margin center. Exponent. Equal to 6 plus 12 divided by 4. Answer 9. Equal to, bracket open, 14 plus 7 bracket close divided by 3 equal to enter. So equal to bracket open 14 plus 7 bracket close divided by 3. Press enter key. Answer 7. Number 3. Select A column to B column. Click margin center. Multiplication or division. Equal to 5 power 2 plus 12 minus 10. Enter key. Answer 27. Equal to 5 into 2 minus 16 divided by 2. Enter key. Answer 2. Add sheet 5. Zoom in. Create mark sheet. Select A column to K column. Click margin center. Mark sheet. Roll number. Name. Subject name English. Maths. Science. History. Total marks. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Name Julie. Seth. Roji. Sriya. Soumya. Ravi. Rahul. Charu. English 42, 61, 29, 88, 47, 58, 70, 63. Maths 27, 58, 36, 78, 59, 49, 61, 59. Science 61, 69, 40, 79, 63, 59, 72, 47. History 44, 51, 55, 92, 61, 70, 58, 62. Select B3 to G3. Select table, then click auto sum. Answer bold text. Result equal to if sum bracket open, total marks, bracket close, or equal to 250, comma, double quotation, pass, double quotation, comma, double quotation open, fail, double quotation close, single bracket close. Press enter key. Fail, then you will drag down, fail, text color, select text, center, select text, center.